91 Romeo Charlie 099. Hello my friend, good evening. 14 Romeo Charlie 011. I'm glad to contact you so from same group Romeo Charlie, and my call sign 91 Romeo Charlie 099 from Indonesia. Introduce, my name is Fayyas, Foxtrot Alpha Yankee Yankee Alpha Sierra. Foxtrot Alpha Yankee Yankee Alpha Sierra. Back to you.
Mr. Fayyas, thank you for calling me. I am Charlie Echo, Delta Romeo, India, Charlie. My name is Cedric, you're 5 and 6, 5 and 6, in report.
Roger Cedric, Roger Cedric, 14 Romeo Charlie 011, 91 Romeo Charlie 099. I'm reporting to you 5 and 5, but this last moment you get a 5 and 9, Cedric. You're a big gun to Indonesia. Maybe we can contacting KSO again. 14 Romeo Charlie 011, 91 Romeo Charlie 099. Back to you. Very strong in this moment. I am using a Nikon 75643 and antenna is a 4 quad. The Ministry of Country. Roger, you have good equipment and antenna, my friend. I'm using Delta Loop antenna, single element, my friend. Only 200 watt. I'm running this radio 100 whiskey using Yesu Foxtrot Tango 80 Charlie. Foxtrot Tango 80 Charlie. 14 Romeo Charlie 011, 91 Romeo Charlie 099. But too many station contacting to you. I have 273, my friend. Goodbye.
Yeah, this is very nice. Working fantastic. Thank you very much for answering the call. I wish you a very good evening and a nice Kopi to my friend. 91 Romeo Charlie 099, 14 Romeo Charlie 011.
Bye bye. Thank you. Good day.